To keep his son away from other children and people, the merchant built a big wall around his house and garden. Since merchant did not want his son to know about God, so he don't he didn't allow his child to go to school so that any teacher or any child could tell him about God. The merchant taught his son to read and write. He taught his son all subjects that were taught in school. He himself taught his son to read and write. He taught him all the subjects which were teaching in the school. But he never told his son about the existence of God. The son never heard the word God. Years passed. The merchant's son was now 12 years old. What happened? 12 years passed, but still his son was unknown about the presence of God, even the word God. One fine morning, the merchant was walking in his garden. Suddenly, he heard his son's voice and listened to the conversation he ever heard. What happened? One day, when merchant was walking in his garden, he saw that his son is talking with someone. When he found that his son is doing conversation with the nature. The son was saying, "Children, you see in this line here it should be was, but in place of was, way is written. So you correct it and in place of y you write s. Okay." The son was saying, "How great must be the one who has created the twinkling stars, the sun, the moon, beautiful flowers, their fragrance, trees, mountains, rivers, animals, and other fascinating things." What son was saying? Son was praising the God unknown to him. He was telling who has created beautiful things, who has created twinkling stars, sun, moon, these beautiful flowers, beautiful birds, trees, rivers. How beautiful, how intelligent, how wise. I wish to know him, revere him, love him and worship him. मैं उससे जानना चाहता हूँ, जिसने भी ये सारी चीज़ें बनाई हैं मैं उसे जानना चाहता हूँ, देखना चाहता हूँ, उसकी रिस्पेक्ट करना चाहता हूँ. आई विश टू थैंक हिम फॉर हिज वंडरफुल क्रिएशंस. उसकी इतनी सुंदर रचना के लिए मैं उसे धन्यवाद कहना चाहता हूँ. द मर्चेंट वॉज स्टन्ड टू हियर दीज वर्ड्स. स्टन्ड मीन्स चकित हो जाना, है ना. The merchant was stunned to hear these words. Why? Because he had never told his son about God, never told his son about the nature, and when he saw his son was doing conversation like this, he was amazed, he was stunned. He saw that his son was kneeling on the ground and saying those words. Who taught you to say all these things? Asked the merchant angrily. तुम्हें ये सब किसने सिखाया? Merchant was angry and he asked angrily from his son. Nobody, father, replied the son politely. किसी ने नहीं. सन ने बहुत प्यार से अपने पिता को जवाब दिया. But don't you think that someone must have created all these things? पर क्या आपको ये नहीं लगता कि ज़रूर ये सारी चीज़ें किसी ने बनाई हैं? The son continued, "Don't you think that the creator of these things must be great, majestic and intelligent? Shouldn't we love the creator of these things? Shouldn't we worship and revere him?" आपको नहीं लगता कि जिसने भी इतनी सुंदर सी चीज़ें बनाई हैं, जो भी इसका क्रिएटर है, हमें उसका रिस्पेक्ट करना चाहिए, उससे प्यार करना चाहिए? वो कितना इंटेलिजेंट होगा? द मर्चेंट वॉज अपील्ड to hear the words of his son. मर्चेंट जो था वो बहुत अमेज्ड था, बहुत चकित था ये सारी बातें अपने सन से सुन करके। He now realized that God is present everywhere. अब उसे इस बात का रियलाइज़ हुआ कि गॉड तो हर जगह प्रेजेंट है। Why? Because he never taught his child about God. उसके बावजूद, in spite of that, his son is fascinating towards the God. The merchant suddenly uttered these words in praise of God. तभी अचानक से uttered मतलब मेकिंग साउंड विथ माउथ, कुछ जैसे बड़बड़ाना। तो यहाँ पे द मर्चेंट सडनली अटर्ड दीज वर्ड्स इन प्रेस ऑफ गॉड, मतलब गॉड के लिए कुछ प्रेस मतलब तारीफ़ करना। गॉड की तारीफ़ करते हुए मर्चेंट ने कहा, दिस ब्यूटिफुल वर्ल्ड ओ डिवाइन क्रिएटर इज़ योर टेम्पल। ओ डिवाइन क्रिएटर मतलब ये जो संसार है, खूबसूरत संसार है, इसके क्रिएटर कौन? भगवान। इज़ योर टेम्पल, ये आपका मंदिर है। एवरी मोमेंट एवरी प्लेस योर प्रेजेंस वी फील, हर समय हर वक्त हम आपकी प्रेजेंस को महसूस करते हैं। फॉर एवर ओपन आर द डोर्स ऑफ योर टेम्पल, हमेशा आपके दरवाजे हमारे लिए खुले होते हैं। द सन द मून एंड द स्टार्स सिंग दाई प्रेजेस, द पोइट्स हैव नो वर्ड्स टू डिस्क्राइब योर ग्लोरी। सन मून स्टार्स वो सब आपको प्रेज करते रहते हैं। पोइट्स के पास कोई वर्ड नहीं होता आपको गुणगान करने के लिए। डिस्क्राइब योर ग्लोरी मीन्स गुणगान करना। वेयर आर यू ओ लॉर्ड, आप कहाँ हैं भगवान। सी इन दिस लाइन ही हैज़ टोल्ड वेयर आर यू ओ लॉर्ड, इसका मतलब ये नहीं कि वही पूछ रहा है कि आप कहाँ हैं। ही इज़ टेलिंग आप कहाँ नहीं हैं। दैट मीन्स यू आर प्रेजेंट एवरीवेयर। So children, what should be the moral of this story? Moral of the story is God is the creator of the universe and he is present everywhere. God ही इस पूरे यूनिवर्स का क्रिएटर है और वो हर जगह प्रेजेंट है। Okay? So today this is it. What is your homework? That you will read this chapter and note down the underlined words which I will send you. Thank you.